Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today, continued to work on the sleeves pretty much all day with Nick. Finished the 1.5-inch sleeves yesterday, I believe. So all we did today was hang the 3/4 sleeves for the fire alarm people. So as you can see here, zooming in here, got the sleeves going from room to room, and then also sleeves. Some rooms will need sleeves for the hallway, just depending on the direction of the wiring. If you remember yesterday, had this whole bucket full of sleeves. There's probably like 40 to 60 of them, and now we're down to the last 4, one left in the bucket, and then 3 that I had to make because we were short, and then have to grab the bushings for those. And then the 2 holes that I drilled today, actually I drilled like 3 holes, but these were the 2 main ones I drilled today, which were 3-inch, and had to go through sheetrock on both sides. And yeah, so that was about it for my day. And it didn't quite line up, so I had to drill the hole a little bit bigger on the other side, but that guy started to fire caulk already, so you can't see my mistake. Anyways, guys, here's some of the blueprints that I've been working with today. My foreman sent me on my phone, so I figured I'd just show you guys what I'm working with here. Whole bunch of red lines, which is showing the wiring diagram for where the wire is traveling, but we're changing it a little bit. So basically, instead of taking the wire in the unit and then back out to the hallway and then back into the next unit, that's where we're just going from room to room with the sleeve to save time and wiring for the other people. So hopefully this may interest you a little bit and show you a little bit what I'm working with and what it looks like in the real world. Alright everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here in the next one. Check the description for anything else that you might be interested in, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload it or do live streams. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by the live stream last night. Streaming with Arctic Vet, if you know him. He has a 1997, I believe, 1998 Arctic White Corvette C5. So we've been playing Fortnite the last couple of nights, and that's been really fun. So if you guys want to hang out and check it out and play with us, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified, so you can come watch and then play with us. All right, that should do it, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.